Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I wanted to real quick show you something. I've talked a lot about mosquito control, about how you should eliminate their breeding grounds from around your home, any standing water, eliminate that, a huge part of any mosquito control program. Um, but what about inside your home? Inside your home is actually just as important as the outside. I'm going to post a picture here, and I took this picture myself. I saw it with my own eyes, and I took this picture. And it's kind of gross, but it serves a good purpose. It's a good lesson for us. This is a commode that, as you can see, is full of little mosquito larvae. And what's happened here is this is a commode that does not get used very often, a restroom that doesn't get used very often at all. And this water is just standing there. The mosquitoes have laid their eggs, and they've grown into they're growing into mosquitoes. So the lesson here is, yes, if you have maybe you have a guest restroom or something that doesn't get used very often, you might want to check it. You might want to flush it every once in a while, or maybe keep the lid down. That might help some, although I'm pretty sure they could still get in there with the lid down. That's part of the lesson, but the bigger lesson is you really have to think of everything when it comes to mosquito control. You've got to think of everything and check everything. Don't assume, if you have mosquitoes inside your home, don't assume they're coming from the outside. Don't assume that they came in when you open the door or something like that. They very well could be a source from the inside. They could have laid their eggs somewhere inside and hatched and grown into mosquitoes from the inside. So it's important to think of everything. Remember that just a bottle cap, a Coke bottle cap, can hold enough water for a mosquito to lay 300 eggs. So it doesn't take much at all. It's very important that you check everything, check your home inside and out, and then eliminate any standing water. Very important. So hope that helps. If you need any help with that, feel free to let us know. Thanks.